So just a little report with the BFI motor mounts that I installed. I'm idling, and honestly, I was expecting there to be a lot more vibration at idle, because I used the same BFI, well, they're not the exact same design, but I used the BFI Stage 1 street mounts in my VR6 Corrado, and I will say it actually has a lot of vibration at idle. Now granted, I've got a lot going on in that motor with the high compression motor, the ported heads, the cams, the supercharger on the VR6, so a little extra vibration at idle is kind of to be expected, but it also, the added vibration at idle with that car doesn't bother me at all because it drives beautifully and there's no engine swap. And I will say that in the R32, adding the BFI Stage 1 street mounts that I have put in here, and this is their version 2 of these mounts, so it's a new version that they've just released in the last couple years. It's more refined, and yeah, honestly, the vibration's barely noticeable above the stock ones. And my stock ones were mush. My stock ones had collapsed. They were the original ones from when I bought the car new in 2004, so they were done. I'm very happy with the new BFI mounts. The shifting is solid. When I'm on and off throttle, I feel zero engine slop. And that was something that I was noticing with the factory mounts, especially on the track. Going around the track, I could feel the motor shifting back and forth, off-load, on-load. None of that now. It's nice and solid. I'm very happy with it. So if you're thinking about BFI mounts or just any motor mounts in general on your Mk4 R32, I would say the street mounts are perfect. I don't see any reason why you would need to go with the race mounts or the stage 2 mounts that are even stiffer. They're great. No issues with shifting under load. They're perfect. So go with that. That's my recommendation. Cliff Jumper approved. Hope that helped you out, but go ahead and hit like, subscribe, share. I will leave a link in the description. I am not sponsored in any way by BFI, just a happy customer. So, Cliff Jumper approved. See you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.